When he receives the bill, BR account data to dry his account. When the bill is honored, he receives the bill from Z, BR account data to Z account. On 1/1/2018, A sell goods to B for rupees 40,000. Who is the receiver? C's account data to BR account. Over. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 1 first semester BBA. The session goes in favor of bills of exchange. In the last session, we discussed the entry in the bills of exchange. The entry goes like this in the books of dryer. When he makes the sale, dry account data to sales account. When he receives the bill, BR account data to dry his account. When the bill is honored, cash account data to BR account. What's the entry? First entry, when he makes the sale, dry account data to sales account. When he receives the bill, BR account data to dry his account. When the bill is honored, cash account data to BR account. In the books of dry, he makes the purchases account data. From whom? Dryer account. He gives the bill to dryer account data to bills payable account. When the bill is honored, the bill is paid, BP account data to cash account. These are the entry we did in the last session. Today, now we are going to discuss regarding the endorsement. I will tell you, A endorsed to B, B endorsed to A. What do you mean by endorsement? I am going to explain now. Here, on 1/1/2018, A sell goods to B for rupees 40,000. B accepts the bill for 3 months and returns it to A. A endorses the same to his creditor C and C endorses it to D. D receives the bill and discount the bill for rupees 38,000. Pass the entry in the books of A, B and C. So here endorsement takes place. Here endorsement means transfer. Endorsement means transfer is called endorsement. So if A transfer to goods, who is the receiver? B is the receiver, A is the giver. So endorsement means transfer of a bill is called endorsement. So we'll go very slowly here. A sell goods to B. First we'll do the what's called in the books of A. Then we'll go to the books of B. Then in the books of C, you have to pass the entry in the books of A. What is the amount of the bill? 40,000. So here 1/1/2018. How many months are there? 3 months. Every bill has got 3 grace days. What's the due date? 4/4/2018. So we'll pass the entry. First entry 1/1/2018. A. Journal entries in the books of A. Dryer. So he sells the goods to whom? B, worth of rupees 40,000. B's account debtor 40,000 to sales account 40,000. Being credit sales. Now, he writes the bill given to A writes the bill given to B, and B accepts the bill given back to A. Same date. He receives the bill. BR account debtor. Bill is coming in 40,000. From whom? From B to B's account. 40,000. Being bill received. What is the first entry? When you make the sale, B's account debtor to sales account. When you receive the bill, BR account debtor to B's account. He has to wait for 3 months. What is the, it says now, A endorsed the same bill to his creditor C. Same day, he transferred the bill to C. Who is the receiver? C's account debtor 40,000 to Bill's receivable account. Transfer entry. Being bill endorsed, transferred. What's the first entry? B's account debtor to sales account, being the credit sale. When you receive the bill, BR account debtor to B's account, receiving the bill. Same bill given to C. Who is the receiver? C's account debtor to BR account. Over. The bill is not with A, has been transferred to Mr. C. Now bill is with whom now? C. Come back to here now. Journal entry in the books of C. C. He is the receiver. He receives the bill from whom? A. 1/1/2018. BR account debtor, he receives the bill. Bill is coming in. BR account debtor 40,000 to A's account 40,000. Being bill received. What's the date? Then he say endorses. So C endorses it to D. Same date. D's account debtor 40,000 to BR account 40,000. Being bill endorsed. Being the bill endorsed. So, in the books of D, now, in the books of D, he receives the bill from whom? C. 1/1/2018 entry. BR account debtor 40,000 to C's account 40,000. He receives from C. D, here no. In the books of C, BR account debtor to A's account. So A gives the bill to C. C given to D. Now, in the books of D, he receives the bill from C. D's account debtor to C's account. Then, what's the problem says? D receives the bill and discount the bill for rupees 38,000. What's the amount of the bill? 40,000 on 1/1/2018. He discount the bill. Cash account debtor 38,000. Discount account debtor 2,000 to BR account 40,000. So first entry in the books of C, he receives the bill from A, BR account debtor to A's account, given the same bill to D, D's account debtor to BR account. In the books of D, he receives the bill from C, BR account debtor to C's account. He discount the bill for rupees 38,000. Cash account debtor, discount account debtor to BR account. The bill is honored on the same day. Okay. So discount entry, cash account debtor, discount account debtor, BR has been transferred. What we receive cash, discount is a loss. Entry, cash account debtor, discount account debtor to BR account. Who is left over? Mr. B. Journal entry in the books of B. Dry. First, he purchased the goods 1/1/2018. Purchases account debtor 40,000 to A's account 40,000 being credit purchase. Okay, this is a credit purchase. Same day being credit purchase. Same day he accepts the bill given to A. He accepts the bill given to A. A's account debtor 40,000 to bills payable account. Being bills accepted. Being the bills accepted 40,000. So bill has been honored after 3 months 4/4/2000. Regarding the endorsement, no effect to B. Entry 4/4. BP account debtor 40,000 to cash account 40,000. Being bills paid. Being the bills paid. Entry purchase account debtor to A's account, A's account debtor to BP account, BP account debtor to cash account. So being the bills paid. So you are passing the entry in the books of all the party. See that? In the books of A, you have passed B's account debtor to sales account, BR account debtor to B's account. He transferred to C, C's account debtor to BR account. In the books of C, BR account debtor to A's account. He transferred to D, D's account debtor to BR account. In the books of D, BR account debtor to C's account. He discounts the bill. Cash account debtor, discount account debtor to BR account. In the books of B, the real person of drawee, purchase account debtor to A's account, A's account debtor to bills payable account, BP account debtor to cash account. We'll move on to the next problem. On 1/1/2016, X sell goods to Y for rupees 80,000 for 4 months. Y accepts the bill and returns it to X. X endorses it to his creditor. Z endorses it to A to his creditor. And on the due date, the bill is honored. So same type of problem. We'll go once again. What's the date? 1/1/2016, 4 months. 1/1/2016. Journal entry in the books of who is the drawer? See that? In the books of X. Drawer. So when X sells goods to Y, what's the entry? Y's account debtor to sales account. What's the entry? Y's account debtor to sales account. What's the value of the goods? 80,000. Y's account debtor to sales account. $80,000 being credit sale, credit sale. Second entry, same date. Same date he receives the bill from Y. BR account debtor 80,000. From whom? From Y to Y's account. He is the giver, 80,000. When you make the sale, Y's account debtor to sales account. When you receive the bill, BR account debtor to Y's account. Being the bill received, now he transfers the bill to, returns it to X, endorses it to his creditor Z. He transfers same date. Z account debtor, transfer entry 80,000 to BR account. 80,000 being the bill ender. What's the entry? Y's account debtor to sales account. When you receive the bill, BR account debtor to Y's account. When he transfer to Z, Z account debtor to BR account. Next, journal entry in the books of, first, who is the endorser? X endorses to his creditor Z. Z endorses to A. Okay. In the books of Z, receiver. Z receives the bill from whom? From X. 1/1/2000. What's the date? 2016. BR account debtor 80,000. From whom he received? To X account 80,000. Being bill received. So Z received. He transfers the bill to whom? Z. Z endorses to A. Same date. A's account debtor 80,000 to BR account 80,000 being the bill endors. One receiving entry and giving entry. When you receive the bill, BR account debtor to X account, transfer to A, A's account debtor to BR account. This goes in favor of Z. Then, journal entries. In the books, A. Now, A receives the bill from Z now. See that? X endorses to creditor Z, Z endorses to A. So, you are doing in the books of A. First entry, 1/1/2016. BR account debtor, he receives the bill 80,000 to Z account 80,000 being the bill received. Then what's the next sentence says no? To his creditor. On the due date, the bill is honored. How many months is taken? Here, 4 months. What's the due date? 1. Every bill has got 3 grace days. 4/5/2016. Bill is here, no? On the due date, 4/5. He receives the bill from Z. 4/5/2016. Bill is honored. Cash account debtor 80,000 to BR account being the bill received. 80,000. He receives the bill. So first entry, Z transferred to bill to here no. Here no. Z is receiver being the bill received. In the books of Z, he receives the bill from X, BR account debtor to X account. He transferred to A, A's account debtor to BR account. In the books of A, he receives the bill from Z, BR account debtor to Z account. He encashed the bill, cash account debtor to BR account. Now, the second one, journal entry in the books of Y. Drawing. He purchases the goods on 1/1/2016. Purchases account debtor 80,000 to X account, right? 80,000 being the credit purchases. Being the credit, same day he accepts the bill, again given to X account debtor 80,000 to bills payable account 80,000. When you make the credit purchase, what's the entry? Purchases account debtor to X account. When the bill is accepted, X account debtor to bills payable account. How many months is time in? 4 months, 4 grace days, 4/5/2016. He pays the bill. BP account debtor 80,000 to cash account 80,000 being the bill paid. So draw, he pays the bill. We'll come back one by one. Vice account debtor to sales account, BR account debtor to vice account, Z account debtor to BR account here. Next, BR account debtor, in the books of Z, he receives the bill from X. BR account debtor to X account, he transferred to A's account debtor to BR account. In the books of A, he receives the bill from Z. BR account debtor to Z account, he has been honored. Cash account debtor to BR account. In the books of Y, he is the purchaser. Entry, purchases account debtor to X account, X account debtor to bills payable account, BP account debtor to cash account. Common entry. First purchase entry, purchase account debtor to X account to give the bill, X account debtor to bills payable account, BP has been honored, BP account debtor to cash account. Common entry. Common entry you can pass. Next, Rama sells goods to Soma for rupees 20,000 on 1/1/2019 for 3 months. Soma accepts the bill and returns it to Rama. Rama endorses to Chandra, his creditor. Chandra endorses it to Rajendra, his creditor. Bill is honored on the due date. Same type of entry they will ask in exam. First we'll go in the books of A. General entry in the books of Rama. Dryer. He sells goods to Soma. Rama sells goods to Soma. On which date? 1/1/2019. He sells goods to Soma. Soma's account debtor. What's the worth of the bill? 20,000. To sales account. It's a credit sale. 20,000 being the credit sale. So here Soma becomes the debtor to Rama, Rama becomes the creditor. Now same day he accepts the bill. 1/1/2019 he receives the bill from Soma. BR account debtor 20,000 to Soma's account 20,000 being the bill received. Then he endorses it to Soma, accepts the bill and returns it to Rama. Rama endorses it to Chandra. Same day, Chandra's account debtor, transfer entry, 20,000 to BR account. 20,000. See that? When you make the sale, Soma's account debtor to sales account, then you transfer the entry, BR account debtor to Soma's account being the bill received, transfer to Chandra, Chandra's account data to BR account. This is in the books of Rama. Then it is transferred to whom now? Soma accepts and returns it to Rama. Rama endorses to Chandra. In the books of Chandra, so Chandra receives the bill from whom? Rama. So what is coming in? Bill is coming in from whom? Rama. On which date? 1/1/2019. Bills receivable account data, BR is coming in 20,000 to Rama's account, 20,000 being the bill received. Being the bill received from Chandra, so we receive from Rama, Chandra received the bill from Rama, BR account data to Rama's account. So what he did, no, he transferred the bill, Chandra endorses to Rajendra, his creditor, same day, 1/1/2019, Rajendra account data, $20,000 to BR account, 20,000 being the bill endorsed. Transfer. First entry, BR account data to Rama's account. He transferred the bill to Rajendra. Rajendra account data to BR account. Now who honored the bill? See that? Chandra endorsed it to Rajendra. His bill is honored. It is honored by Rajendra. What's the due date? 4/5/2016 here. How many months time is given? 1 month, 3 months. 4/4/2019. 4/4 BR account to Rama's account. Rajendra's account data BR bill has been honored here. 4/4/2019. He has got a bill. He has a bill. He present the bill. So BR account data to Rama's account. He transferred the bill to Rajendra. Rajendra's account data to BR account. Now BR with whom now? In the books of Chandra, he present the bill. So first he received the bill. BR account data to Rama's account. Chandra represent to Rajendra. Here Chandra is creditor. Endorses is to Rajendra. So here now entries in the books of Rajendra, entries in the books of Rajendra, so that he receives the bill from whom? Chandra. Entry, BR account data, 20,000. From whom he received? To Chandra's account, 20,000. So he honors the bill. How many months time? 4/4/2019. Cash account data. He present the bill and receive the cash. Cash account data, 20,000 to BR account, 20,000 being the bill honored. He honors the bill. First Chandra given to here now. In the books, he receives from Rama, BR account data to Rama's account. He transferred to Rajendra, Rajendra account data to BR account. In the books of Rajendra, he receives the bill, BR account data to Chandra's account. He honors the bill, cash account data to BR account. So the original party now, in the books of who sells the goods to Somano? Drawee. Purchaser. What's the date of 1/1/2019? He purchases the goods. Purchases account data, 20,000 to Rama's account. 20,000. He receives. Purchases account data to Rama's account. Same date. He accepts the bill given to Rama. Rama's account data 20,000 to bills payable account 20,000. Being the bill accepted. First entry for purchases, purchase account data to Rama's account. When the bill has been accepted, Rama's account pays. On the due date, he pays the bill. 4/4/2019. So 3 months, 3 grace days. He pays the bill. BP account data 20,000 to cash account 20,000. Being the bill paid. First entry, purchases account data to Rama's account. When the bill has been accepted, Rama's account data to bills payable account. When the BP has been paid, BP account data to cash account. All the entries are one and the same. We say endorsement entry. We have solved the problem of endorsement account. 3 problem has to come transfer entry. In the next class, we'll have endorsement, dishonor, and noting charges. Till then, we have solved about 3 problems of endorsement of same type. So we'll meet in the next class with endorsement, dishonor, and noting charge. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.